So here's how to get clients on Fiverr. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Fiverr account, or if you don't already have an account, you have to create a new one. For this, first you have to craft a clear and professional profile. Remember that your profile must highlight your skills, experiences and expertise. Use a friendly or approachable tone while describing your services. Choosing a right niche is also important to getting clients. Specialize in a specific niche that you are skilled in. Focusing on a niche will make you stand out among the other sellers. Offer services that are in demand and can showcase your skills effectively. Use eye-catching titles, relevant descriptions, and relevant tags in the gigs. Include high-quality images and videos that showcase your work. Visuals can greatly impact a potential client's decision. Add additional services and packages to upsell your skills. Deliver excellent work to your clients. Also make sure that you meet the deadlines. So that's how to get clients on Fiverr.